purpose of this video is for you to be able to draw a Lewis dot diagram for any element on a periodic table. Now, what it is, a Lewis dot diagram, it looks kind of like that. You're going to see an element symbol and you're going to see dots around it. And these dots represent how many valence electrons the element has on the outer energy level of its electron cloud. Now, you're going to need to know how many valence electrons it has. Remember the pattern. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? And the ones in the middle have 1 or 2. And the reason we need to know Lewis dot diagrams is because they're going to help us form or figure out the structure of an atom, its formula, and not the structure of an atom, the structure of a molecule when it goes in bonds with something else. Now, what you really need to know is it's a simple pattern. It goes, put the element symbol in the center, X, and then you put the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Now, as you can see, maybe or maybe not, it looks like kind of glary. You put the element symbol in the center, and then it goes, you put 1 dot, 2 dots, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? And you follow that pattern. You put the element symbol in the center. That's not a good X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? You could think of it, the element has like an imaginary box in the center around it that you put the dots around. The box isn't drawn in. All right? Sulfur. How would I draw it? Sulfur is in group 16. It's going to have 6 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? Silicon. Si. Silicon's right here. It's in group 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I don't do it like this. That's incorrect. I don't put Si 1, 2, 3, 4. I go Si 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the dots around each one on each side. I don't pair them up. Okay, krypton. Right here, group 18. That's going to have 8. It's not the exception with helium that has 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right?